Hi, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the function overloading and inline functions. Okay, you know function overloading. By using function overloading, you have to perform a different task. Okay, by using same name, you have to perform a different task. Last class, you discussed about this. You know the in that you know the program also. The cube of a you can you can know the lab program also. Then you know the last class you know about the inline functions. Inline functions nothing but what? See, inline functions means the whose body will be inserted at the place of its call. Okay, that is called what a inline function. You know the syntax of inline function, always it start with keyword inline. Okay, last class you discuss about the about these topics. Today class we discuss about the friend function. What is friend? You know friend is always is very the one of the you know always you have so many friends. He can he or she can share your thoughts. Okay, they are you can share your thoughts with your friends. Okay, easily without if you want anything you can ask to your friends also. Okay, friends. How to use this word in C++. Okay, friend function, it is also one function. What is the use of this function in C++ programs? Okay, that we have to understand. Okay, see, you know already how to write the program by using classes. Okay, by using class I am writing just on you know how to write a class definition. You know, for example, I am taking one class name. From class name I am taking see here I am taking addition of two numbers. For addition of two numbers, what you want? See, for addition of two numbers you want in private section. In private you are writing int a b. Okay, in public section I am taking a void input, then void display. Okay, then close the bracket. This is what this is one class. This is one class with always class will be closed with semicolon. You know this. See, this is addition is a class name. The private and public, these are what? These are the access specifier. In private always you are writing what? Data members. In public section always you are writing these member functions. Already you know this. You know this. Okay, see, and then if you write this program means how to write this input function outside the class. How to write by using scope relation operator. Why we have to write by using scope relation operator? Okay, because these are in class. This is a encapsulation technique. Encapsulation technique means the data and the function will be hiding. Okay, that's why if you want to access these member function outside the class, if you want to write outside the class means what you have to take? You have to take a scope resolution operator. By the help of scope resolution operator you have to write it. Okay, you know this. Okay, how to write the member, how to define member function outside the class. Okay, for example, if you write input, how to write input? Void addition scope resolution operator, then you are writing input. Then if you want to write display how to write outside the class? Void. Okay, then addition scope resolution operator display. Like this you have to write it. Okay, without using see scope resolution operator, I want to write this outside the class. How to write? By using friend function. By using friend function you have to write see this input and display. ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೆದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ವಿಥೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿಥೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ without using a scope resolution operator. Okay, this is called friend. You have to by using friend function only it is possible. Okay, by using friend function only. See, then what is you know? See, what is the purpose you have to use a see a member the friend function? What is the purpose? You know, in private and protected data members, if you want to access outside the class, must and should you want a dot operator ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, without using dot operator ನಾನು a and b ನ access ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, without using dot operator, scope resolution operator, I want to access these member function. How it is possible? That is possible only from a friend function. Okay, if you want to see access private and protected data members, and a member function outside the class, you can use a friend function. Okay, see, what is friend function now? Friend function means nothing but it is a friend of class. Okay, it is like a friend. Okay, friend means we can share our thoughts, we can share anything. Okay, for example, ನಾನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಪೆನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. Okay, free of cost, like this. Okay, the friend function is shares his data members and member functions. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ friend function he can that function can share data members and member functions freely outside the class. Okay, that is called a friend function ಅಂತಾರೆ. See, friend function, what is the definition of friend function? Friend function means, say, it is a friend of class. It is a friend, not enemy. It is a friend of a class. Friend of a class used to access private and protected data member. Private data members ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ A and B ನ outside the class ಬರೀಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ it's very must and should you have to use the dot operator. By using these functions only you have to write it. By using these functions only you have to write outside the class. Okay, but by using friend function you have to write these data members outside the class. ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. These data members you can write outside the class also. Okay, that is the main reason you have to use a friend function. Then what is friend function? Friend function, it is a friend of class. It is a friend of ಒಂಥರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ. ಅದು ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲೋ ಟು ದಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. It can allow to the friend, you can access, you can data ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ it gives to outside the class. Okay, got it? See, that it is friend of a class used to access private and protected data member. You can access andre you can write outside member function, you can write outside the class without using scope resolution operator. Okay, ನೀವು scope resolution operator ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you are getting error in program. But ನಾನು friend function ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವನ್ನ without using scope resolution operator ಬರೆದನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ the program will be executed. Okay, see, then how to see the friend? It is a friend of a class used to access private and protected data members and also member functions also. Okay, this is the definition of a friend. Okay, then what is the syntax of friend function? Friend function ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ? See, always class name, then in public section only you have to write a friend function definition, not in private. Okay, in public friend function ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ member function, how to declare member function in public section only you have to declare. Okay, the friend function in private ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, next in public you have to write by using friend keyword. Inline function ಇದ್ದಾಗ inline keyword ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ by using friend keyword must and should in small letters. Friend keyword, then return type means you can take a int, void, double, anything you can take, float you can take, data type. Then function name, then class name, object name ಮತ್ತೆ object name. This is the syntax of a friend function. Friend function ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, see, always it is right in inside the class you have to declare always friend function inside the class only, not outside the class. You have to declare friend function inside the class first. See how to declare. See class name. Then in public section only you have to by using keyword friend. By using keyword friend use ಮಾಡಿ return type function name. Then must and should you have to write class name, object name, class name, object name. This is the syntax of a friend function. Okay, this is the syntax of friend function. For example, how to write? See, I am using a class addition. I am writing a addition of two numbers program. Addition of two numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ private ಅಲ್ಲಿ int a b. In private section I am taking int a b. I am writing a program addition of two numbers. Then in public void input enter two numbers. I am taking void input. This is a member function. Next ನಾನು sum ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ a plus b. I want to do a plus b. Then I am taking here int friend int sum. See, I am taking sum. See, friend function friend is keyword, then return type, sum is a function name, then addition yum. Okay, I am taking a addition yum. Okay, I am taking addition yum. Got it? See, addition yum. This is the addition means it is a this is the class name. Yum means it is a object name. Okay, this is nothing but a object name. Okay, see, like this you have to declare. See, where I am declaring friend function here. See, friend function I am declaring inside the class only, inside the class. Okay, see, now sum is a friend of class addition. Okay, now ಈಗ friend ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ this is nothing but normal function. ಇದು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. You cannot use the scope relation operator directly. You can write it. Okay, because why? Because sum is a friend of class addition. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು keyword friend ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. keyword friend ಬರೆದ್ರೆ what it means? It means sum is a friend of class addition. Okay, sum is a friend of class addition. Then what is the use of friend function? See, it is used to access private and protected data members, then member functions. Okay, that is what this is the syntax of friend function. See, friend function it's very easy. What purpose you have to use means without scope relation operator you have to write these sum function outside the class. Okay, but input ಗೂ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ this is also you can write outside the class without using a scope relation operator. Okay, this is the meaning you have to remember. Okay, see, then this is so many times ಇದನ್ನು 2 marks ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. write a syntax of friend function. ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್. This is the syntax. Must and should you have to remember. Then the next one is what are the features of a friend function. See, it is declared inside the class using friend function keyword. Friend function. Always you have to declare inside the class. Notary, this is a program. You have to always declare friend function. Sum is a friend function here. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. friend I am using friend keyword. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನಾವು sum is a friend function. You have must and should you have to write in inside the class only. You have to declare friend function always inside the class by using friend keyword. by using friend keyword. Then the second characteristic is see, defined outside the class. You have to define friend function. Friend function ಯಾವುದು some function you can define outside the class without using scope reduction operator. Without using scope reduction operator ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Friend function ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ friend function? Input is a normal function, that is friend function ಯಾವುದು some function ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ must ensure you cannot use a scope resolution operator, but input ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, must ensure you can use the scope resolution operator. Why? It is not a friend function. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then the next one, that cannot be called using object. Okay, cannot be called by using a object. Cannot be called by using object ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ you have to go for void main ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to create one object. Okay, if you want to access these input and sum, inputs access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, m dot input ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, but sum ನ access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't use any dot operator, don't use any dot operator, don't use any object. Okay, here normal you can call like a normally you can call. Okay, but input na ನಾನು access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, you can use a dot operator by object dot input ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Okay, ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. but sum ನ access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ only you have to write a sum function ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. why means sum is a friend of a class addition. It is a friend function. Sum is nothing but it is a friend function. Okay, this is you have to remember. The next you can invoke friend function like a normal function ಹಂಗೆ invoke ಮಾಡಬಹುದು without using dot operator, without using object. You can easily you can access in a void main ಅಲ್ಲಿ easily you can access ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, that cannot access data members directly, but one condition is there, you cannot access data members. These data members cannot access directly, you must ensure, but data members must ensure you have to use a dot operator use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. these are the features. last year in 2019 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, write 5 features or characteristics of a friend function. Characteristics of friend function, you can write it. Always you have to declare friend function, always you declare inside the class only by using keyword friend. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ outside the class without using scope resolution operator. ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ outside the class don't use scope resolution operator. ಮತ್ತೆ don't use when you access, don't use any object. friend function access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ don't use any object, you can invoke like a normal function. Okay, these are the characteristics of or features of a friend function. These are the features of friend function. Then now I am writing one program, then you can understand how to write. I am writing a program addition of two numbers. See, I am writing the program addition of two numbers. It wants one class addition, private ಆಗಿ ನಾನು int a b ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, addition of two number a plus b. Okay, then in public section I am taking input. Next I am taking one friend function. friend ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು friend, return type, function name, then class name, object name. class name ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ addition ಇದೆ, that's why addition. object name you can take it m or b or c, anything you can take it. Now I am taking m. Okay, this is the syntax of friend function. Always it consists of keyword friend, then return type, then idenappa friend function name, then class name, object name. Okay, then close the class. Okay, now I am writing, I want to define outside the class. first input ಇದೆ, input function, it is not a friend function, must and should you have to use a scope resolution operator here. See how to write outside the class. I am writing the outside the class here. See, I am writing this outside the class. How to write? Void addition scope prediction operator, then input cout, enter two numbers Cin A B. This is what this is. I am using scope prediction operator. The next one is I'm writing second. I'm writing friend function outside the class. Outside the class ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, don't use any scope prediction operator. Don't use scope prediction operator means same you have to write it here. Int sum addition. I am not using here scope prediction operator. Just I am writing int sum addition m. Okay, you can write friend also, no problem. Here you can write a friend also. Here ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. int ಅದೇ ಸೇವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, int sum addition m. Okay, I am not using any scope prediction operator here because it sum is a friend function. Friend function means don't use any scope prediction operator. Okay, now you have to write formula ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, return by using m dot a plus m dot b. Condition ಏನಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. see, cannot access data members directly. Cannot access data members directly means must ensure you have used by using object only you have to access data members. By using object only you have to access. This is a ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ prediction operator ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ prediction operator ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. why means this is what sum is a friend function. okay, friend is a first ಇದು sum is a friend function. okay, the next void main. How to create object? You know how to create object by using addition. Class name, I am writing object name em. okay, then you can write cl or scr. Then how to access? By using object. You have to access. How to access? By using object ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, m ಇದೆ, m dot input first. m dot input first ಗೆ access ಮಾಡಿದೆ. then next function ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, sum ಇದೆ. sum function you cannot access. ಇಲ್ಲಿ one condition ಇದೆ, cannot be called using object. Cannot be called by using a object. see, how to call them? normal function ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು. normal function sum ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sum m. you can write this much only. sum m means okay, in m ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, in m ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have a data members value ಇದೆ. in m you have a data members value, that's why I am writing m here. okay, then the next ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಬರದೆ. then you can write here get ch this much only. okay, see what is the then what is friend function? Friend function means there are two must and should you remember always. friend function always cannot be here. if you want to declare friend function means cannot be used scope prediction operator. then friend function ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ here cannot be use a dot operator with object. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನ m dot ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. okay, because it is friend ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can easily data members ನ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, you can access very easily. okay, that's why friend function real programs you can use it. okay, but see friend function means you cannot see here it is a friend of the class to access private and protected data members. And member functions very easily outside the class without using scope prediction operator. outside the class without using a object dot operator you can access friend function very easily. okay, then how it will work, this program will work. First Yeah, see main function it calls input function. Input function is enter two numbers 5 6. Then next ಬರುತ್ತೆ sum m ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ಇದೆ 5 6 values goes to here 5 plus 6 11 will be display. 11 will be display. I am using only two. This is for normal function. This is nothing but a friend function. Friend function ಗೆ ನೀವು dot operator use ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Okay, that is the reason. That is one reason. Okay, this is a small program I am writing. Okay, very small program by using friend function. One thing you have to remember, friend function ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ okay ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ sum ಹಿಂದೆ friend ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, sum function nothing that then it is a friend function. Okay, ನಾನು ಈಗ void function ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ friend ಬರಿತೀನಿ. friend ಬರೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't use correlation operator. Don't use a correlation operators. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay na, this is about a friend function. These are the friend function. These are the syntax of friend function. This is the characteristics of friend function. Okay, this is about a friend function. This complete this function overloading chapter. In function overloading chapter you have only three concepts, but these are very very important for your exam. Must and should ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 7 to 8 marks question. ಒಂದು 1 marks question ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 marks question, then 3 marks question ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು 5 marks question ಅಂತೂ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ಲೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್ ವಿಥೌಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್. Okay, without taking any you can share your thoughts easily. You can share your feelings. Okay, that is nothing but friend. How to use this friend in a C++ program? How to use means you have to easily you can access these member function without using correlation operator. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪೆನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಫ್ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಬೇಕದು ಫ್ರೀ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Okay, thank you for watching this video.